Today on Before You Go Solar Part 2, Keegan had this to say about his experience with solar and inverters.
Almost everybody will tell you that you should get solar panels and get inverter batteries. The part they also don't tell you is the fact that once it's rainy season like this and there's clouds every day and there's no sun to actually recharge the batteries using the solar panels, you get zero electricity.
So yes, there are a whole lot of things you've not been told practically about inverter and solar system, and one of them is what happens when it rains heavily or the day is so cloudy, covered with rain clouds. And we're going to solve it like a math. So when the sun is shining and what we call 100%, we are getting about 32 amps into the battery and the load when the battery is full. Now watch this. Now most of these tests will happen when the battery is almost full. What happens when it's raining? Of course, when it's raining heavily, and it's been raining for the past 2 days in Port Harcourt. So when it rains heavily, that same configuration is giving us 2 amps. Now, that is 6.5%. Now, that's how bad it is. So you move from 100%, you drop down to 6.5%. Now, how about when it is very cloudy? Man, in this third situation, it stopped raining, but very, very cloudy. We checked it and we were having 11.9, let's just call it 12 amps. So 12 amps out of the possible 32 we are getting when it's sunny, and on a very cloudy, which is like 35%, like that is 1/3 of the power you are getting. So that is practically what happens when it rains on the solar. So there are days it rains continuously, you'll be getting so much low power. There are days when it is so cloudy, you might be getting about 1/3 of what you used to get. And will that be enough to charge your battery and carry your loads? It will be left for you to know and how to manage it. My own work here is to show you practically what happens about inverter and solar system, and make sure you get ready for that course before you go solar. I'm going to just compile all my practical experience of over 15 years in solar and inverter, and then I'm going to give it out to you so that you know practically what you're going through. If you want to have a solar system that's going to carry you for 1 month, you'll be running hundreds of millions. So, but the main aim I always tell people about using solar is to reduce the cost of electricity. So make sure you follow me here and drop any question you have in the comment section. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace.